So this is a $3 soldering iron, 60 watt, heats up fine, but there's one catch. Let me just show you. Plug it in. Yeah, it's plugged in. So we just wait. Dum 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 dum. This is a perfectly working soldering iron. Nothing fishy about it. The light is lit up. Nothing is burning. It's just standing there, heating up. And I'm not expecting anything funny to happen. I'm just sitting, waiting for it to heat up. Here's my soldering stuff to use on some wires. Dum 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 dum. Here's the copper wire that I want to solder, maybe to itself, like this, like that. Yeah. Dum dum dum. I'm just waiting. So this is 60 watt. It should heat up quite fast. So let's just wait and see if it heats up. Let me see. Did the tip heat up yet? Nope. Doesn't matter solder. But look! Something is melting. Can you see it? That's how the soldering iron is melting itself. Can you see the smoke? Right there. That's smoke coming out of the soldering iron. Okay, I'm half kidding. This video is not very serious, but yeah, they left some residue on the heating element. I have no idea why. They are that cheap that they can't afford to rinse it up with alcohol or something. That would cost, I don't know how much it would cost. Like $2 per liter or something, and a worker should just put it in the alcohol and get it out. Maybe 3 seconds, 5 seconds. And they couldn't do that. So yeah. It's smoking. And I don't know what to do. I don't want to send it back. That's just stupid. You don't send back a $3 soldering iron. But I can't use it inside like this. So, any suggestions? Well, now the tip is smoking too, but that is unrelated. That's just some silicone I put on it. I tried to melt silicone, the hot glue bar. That's unrelated. What's coming out here? That's... Oh! Now slightly less is coming out. But it changed color right here. It's... yeah, it's like that burnt metal color. Bluish. So yeah. In theory, you can use this non-stop for hours. And yeah. Well, actually, now that I look at my old soldering iron, that is also blue. I mean purple, blue, whatever. So that's not a problem. And the smoke went away. Okay. So, yeah. Allegedly nothing to worry about. Now only the tip is smoking. And it can now melt solder. Hopefully, yeah. But I have to clean it or something because solder doesn't stick to it yet. So, yeah. If you want to gamble, in 10 minutes you can get rid of the smoke. And hopefully a usable $3 60 watt soldering iron. It says right here on the paper, 60 watt, with a support that you can put on your desk so you don't burn anything. So yeah, that's my review of this soldering iron.